The automotive repair industry is undergoing a major transformation, driven by technological innovations that enhance precision, speed, and sustainability in dent repair. Traditional, costly panel replacements and repainting are being replaced by advanced techniques that restore vehicles more efficiently while preserving their original finish. Paintless Dent Repair (PDR) has emerged as a leading method, using specialized tools to reshape metal without repainting. It's cost-effective, quick, and eco-friendly, especially with enhancements like LED line lights and digital dent mapping for precision. Modern dent pulling systems handle larger damage using controlled mechanical force, laser guidance, and computerized tracking for safe and accurate results. Laser dent removal employs focused beams to reshape metal without harming surrounding paint, ideal for luxury vehicles requiring precision. When repainting is necessary, smart paint matching systems use spectrophotometers and AI-based algorithms to achieve seamless color accuracy. The rise of robotic dent repair systems marks the shift toward automation, utilizing AI and sensors for consistent, efficient repairs with minimal human input. Meanwhile, nanotechnology introduces materials that make car surfaces more dent-resistant and even self-healing under heat or sunlight. Mobile dent repair solutions now bring these advanced techniques directly to consumers, offering convenient, on-site services supported by real-time updates and digital tools. Additionally, virtual and augmented reality training helps technicians refine their skills with AI-driven feedback. Collectively, these innovations are redefining automotive restoration, making dent repair faster, greener, more precise, and increasingly accessible to consumers. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.